everybody. Today I'm gonna show you a quick fix for basically the guys out there, because I never knew this was a possibility. But you know, when especially in the wintertime, it seems to happen, your button on your jeans just happens to break off. Well, I've always had to throw the jeans away, and I just realized there is a quick, cheap, easy fix to repairing your jeans if your button falls off. So I basically went on Amazon and put in, I think I searched something like jeans button, replacement button or something like that, and they popped right up. So let me show you a real quick video. I'm gonna try to make a short video this time, and don't mind me shake my hand shaking. It's gonna be close-ups, so you know. Let's get started. Oh, and I got my two buddies there. Yeah, that's Mare and Payman, so they'll probably be helping me. So let me show you, I got two pairs of my, actually my thermal line jeans. So they're the real thick, warm ones. And the button popped off of the jeans, and the coveralls, the top button popped off. So let's see if we can fix those. All right, here I have my two pairs of jeans and my coveralls. On the coveralls, you can see this button here popped off. It's supposed to be like that. That's what your upper strap hooks onto, and it popped off. So that's gonna be, we're gonna fix that. And these are my other thermal jeans. And as you can see, this one popped off and actually came all the way out. Popped a hole right through it. So these are my two favorite winter clothings to wear, even though they're ripped and burnt and oiled. But working in the garage, working outside, these are great. I think these women have kept this a secret from us, because our favorite jeans, men, are always the dirty ones, the ones that have burn holes, cut holes, grease stains in them, and they don't tell us we can fix them. So that means we have to go buy new ones because they don't want us wearing our favorite jeans. But you know what? Now we can keep them, and now we're gonna show you how to fix them. Very simple. Went on Amazon, and you can buy all these for, it was either $12 or $20. And I think it was 12. And basically you pick what kind of button you want. You pick what kind of button you want, silver, gold, flat, letters, no letters. Comes with a little tiny screwdriver. And it comes with a little tiny screw. And basically all you do is see the little screw, it's a little Phillips screwdriver. It's tiny, tiny, tiny. That's why I said don't mind me shaking here. But basically you pick this up, find where you want it. Now, obviously they put the button in the wrong spot. It was way over here. The button's supposed to be on this side. See, the button was way over here. We got to move that button closer to where it's supposed to be, which is closer to this side, the zipper side here. So basically just take the button. Oh, and I told you, here's Payman. Payman's gonna help. Stick the button in there. And take the button top. There's a little hole in it, and they're plastic. They're metal. They seem like metal with plastic inserts right there. So we're gonna take that, line that up like that. And my Payman stops moving it. And basically screw that screw. There. Jeans are fixed. The button's put where it's supposed to be. For some reason, there's a cat in my jeans now. Move those before he knocks them over. And let me see if I can show you. Pick him up in there. See? Button's there. That's the outside of the button. There. And it's actually moved over a little bit where it's supposed to be. So, excuse me, sir. Are you done? All right. That's that one. Yep, and now he's doing somersaults. This is my boy. Okay, now we're gonna do the second set of coveralls. I'm gonna pick out which one I want. I think that's good enough. I really don't care what the buttons look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. This is the button I'm choosing. Right there. This button here, the rivet is still in the jeans. See the rivet there? And the cat is in this pair now also for some reason. So he's gonna make his video debut, I guess, again. So I'm not gonna worry about taking this out. It's not bothering me. It's not worth my time trying to figure out how to take it out. So this one, I'm gonna take the little pin or the little screw, real little. Hard to see even with my glasses. And I am going to put it right next to this one, like that. So now you have two. And take the button, stick the button on the screw, take my little screwdriver that came with it, screw it in there. Boom, it's done. It is done. Now I did notice, there we go. Now I did notice there are several size buttons. I think these are 17 millimeter, 15 or 17 millimeter, but you can measure if you have the old button or you want them to match, just measure the size of your button. It's left to right is what they're measuring. And there's a wide variety on Amazon that you can get. Like I said, let's say it cost me $10. $10, I just saved 2 pairs of jeans. These jeans are the winter thermal lined ones that I've had for years. They're not cheap. So I just say, look at all the money I just saved, and I get to keep my favorite jeans. So, of course, Payman's happy to help. So, okay, all set, Payman. Okay, good to go? Good to go? Uh-oh. Now we have another one making our visit, and that is Mare. That's his little sister, and her name is Mare, as in nightmare, because she is a little nightmare. But they're both good cats. So, there's my little girl. There she is. She's a little shy. There you have it. Fixed 2 pairs of my jeans. Got them done. And saved me some money. Got to keep my favorite jeans. Got to wear them for another day of work. That was easy. I think these women have been lying to us, making us throw away our favorite clothes. Now, men, we can keep them. All right. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Even if you just want to see the cats. That's Payman. And the other one's Mare. I'm sure they'll make their little visits every so often in some videos. Most of my videos more likely will be outside equipment type stuff or household repair stuff. Not clothing. I'm not really a clothing fix-it guy. I'm not going to show you how to iron or anything like that. Unless I really get bored. I'm never that bored. All right. And I'll just talk to you guys later. See you next time. Goodbye.